Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you physics of class 10th NCERT chapter 13 magnetic effect of electric current. Now we'll see the difference between the AC and DC current. AC current, it has a magnitude as well as the direction both, but in the DC current it has a unidirectional, one direction, obtained from AC generator, and its graphical representation is like a wave. Every half there is a one complete, means two halves make a one cycle. So, but here from the cell, battery and other things it generate, and DC generator also, solar cells, it has a straight line, unidirectional graphical. AC is more dangerous than the DC because by accidentally touched gives the serious shock by the AC. AC cannot be used for the electrolysis of the or electroplating. Most power stations are the thermal, hydroelectric and atomics all produces the AC current, alternating current. In India, our alternating currents produced change the direction in every 1/100 seconds. Change the directions like this, again like this. So this is just double. In 100 seconds means number of, what is the frequency of the current in India? That is 50 hertz, 50 times, so 50 hertz per second. That is called the number of frequency, number of oscillation that you know in the previous chapters. Frequency of AC is 50 hertz, that is in 1 second 50 cycles it will produce, that is the 2 times, 50 to the 100. In one complete cycle, how many times it changes the direction? 2 times. So, very important advantages of AC is over DC is that electric powers cannot be transmitted through the DC because it is a loss, long distances, but by AC transmission there is a very less energy loss. You will get a very less loss for the long because of the every 1/100 seconds this is change. So in 1 second there is a 50 frequency, 50 hertz it is the frequency, that's why it is a very less loss. So it is dangerous. DC current repel you. When your electric shock you will get by DC current, you will be thrown forward away. But when the AC shock, electric shock, then it will be just attach, it will be attract you and continuous till the end of the life. So it is very dangerous. Now we will get the domestic electric circuit, which you know very well. Domestic electric circuit, that in the houses there is a wirings and other all. So when the electric connection for the supply of electric power from the city substations to your house, this distribution in your house, and then from house it is your wiring, these all is called the domestic electric circuit. It has a one part cable, which is from the cable you are getting the line from your pole to your house or transformer. First it has a three color of red color, green, black color and the green color. Red color is always used for the danger, that's why live water wire it is called. Black insulated wire, insulation is there, and there is inside it is copper. Neutral wire, and the green insulation wire cover is called the earth wire. Earthing also from the pole, other generally persons make the earthing nearby their house. Next one will be the pole fuse. If your load is high, then there is a one fuse. Fuse is a safety device which used on the pole in your circuit. When any damage is there, then automatically circuit is cut off from there. So it is optional. It is only according to load, high loads. Kilowatt hour meter, kWh, which is called the unit also, UNIT, 1 unit, you know in the 9th also. This electric meter it will be there. One main fuse, after the meter it will be put. when the fuse, after this fuse, then the meter, and then main switch you will get. After this there is a main switch. In the main switch there is a many devices. Small MCBs are used nowadays, otherwise parallel wires from there we receive. After fuse, live neutral wires connect with the main switch, and then distribution board. This distribution board, from this box wire goes to the different part of the room. Different part of the room you will get, and after getting different part from the distribution box, there is a parallel wires comes. Because of the earlier from one wire, when then there will be a very disturbance in the when the last room there is a heater or another thing used, then you will get a very less light. House wiring. Parallel wire goes from the distribution box in the different room, and then with the fuse. Nowadays they are putting the MCB box. MCB box there is a which is depend on the magnetic effect of the electric current, electromagnet produced, and it will be just opposite direction. On is upside and off is downside in MCB. So you on upside, and any disturbance in the circuit it will be automatically put down. So it is called the MCBs, and live wires goes and neutral wire goes to the different rooms with a different ampere of the current containing. That is the 15 ampere rating and 5 ampere rating wire. It is not the same wire, because you are using the power connections also, like a geyser, heater, AC, other all the things. So for this one power connection, and one simply bulb, fans and other all, that is the 5 ampere rating. Two type of the wire, in thick and thin. It depend on 15 ampere wire rating and 5 ampere wire, and it is different rooms for this. After this, the next device is there is a earth wire. Earth wire is a very important wire. It is a green color, usually connected to the metal plate deep into the earth near the house. You can make your earth wire. It is not needed that you take from the government electricity department. Used as a safety fuse, because sometimes the metal bodies, electric appliances, give the leakage and you get a shock, then it will be protect extra or high voltage, all the extra electricity through the earth wire, you will be not stuck on it. So use many not get the severe by user. By this use, many of you will not get a severe electric shock. And parallel line gives you, if one room is, it is also advantages. If one room line is breakage, because 4 rooms, then 4 wires will be start from the distribution box. One will go one room, and another wire, another room. One room there is any disturbance and any short circuit, then you will get other wires. Other rooms electricity supply will be not stopped. But the previous olden days, the people were using only one connection, one wire is going and distribution, then that case a whole light will, whole house will be first off the light, and then you can do anyone. Electric fuses are there. It is a very important device. A fuse is device which is allowed a certain limit of the current. It is works on the heating effect of the electric current. More heat, a melting point cross. Generally it has a 200 degree centigrade melting point made of alloy, lead 75% and tin 25%. More than 200 degree centigrade, then it will be break automatically, melt. Works on heating effect only. Fuse is different rating. It is depend on, suppose you are power using, in the power supply you are putting the fuse, then a 15 ampere fuse, then 5 ampere and 1 ampere. Nowadays you know all the electronic appliances have the fuse like a tube wise. Glass tube is 2 metal caps, and there is a glass tube and very small like this wire attached. Transparent glass tube and metal caps are there. So short circuiting, now it is your circuit diagram, a systematic diagram of one of the common domestic room, that is the Here I have also drawn. One is the main fuse and meter, and then red color wire is going till here, fuse and a meter, and then a different distribution box, then different rooms each switch, and here the neutral wire also going in the different room, different switch. Earth wire is directly going in the all the switches, all the type. It is main, or it is a power supply, or it is general. So you are getting these things separate. Each appliances is separated by switch on and off. There is a switches on the board in the room that you know very well. On and off each appliances, one bulb, fan, 5 appliances you are using in the room, then 5 switches will be there. One sockets will. Electric fuse is very important component in the domestic circuit that is used here. Overloading and short circuiting. Overloading and short circuiting also very important. Overloading. Short circuit means anytime live and neutral wire mix together by mistake, touching, then a spark will be there and your fuse will be automatically melt, or MCB will be dropped. Overloading. Suppose that you have a plug, power plug of the only 15 ampere, and you are putting some multi plug and putting many devices are there which has beyond the limit of that, then there will be overload. And due to this situation, electric fuse and MCBs save your house wirings and other all. And it works on the Joule's heating effect, melting point, high electric. So here the use of the electric fuse prevents the electric circuits and the appliances with the possible damage by stopping the flow of usually high electric current. The Joule's heating effect of that place the fuse melts into breaks into the electric circuit. Overloading can also occur by the accidentally hike in the supply voltage, and sometimes overloading is caused by the connecting too many appliances in a single socket. It is very important. So these things is the domestic. That's all. Your physics chapter is over. This magnetic effect of electric current, all the things. Now we will discuss in the next chapter, next lecture, the blue box questions, and after this the exercise questions of this chapter. Thanks.